Okay, so this is question number 8. We have a rule which is A of k, it's the area here, and that k sine of k, depending upon the value of k, will actually give you the area. I'm getting the area from this rule. I'm not getting the area by integrating because I don't know what f of x is. F of x is a function that hasn't been given to me. So if I want a of pi on 3, I'm looking for pi on 3 sine of pi on 3, and that's going to equal pi on 3 times the sine of pi on 3 is root 3 on 2, so it should be pi root 3 on 6 square units, which is the. So in part B, we need to evaluate f. Now remember, this is the function f. So if the integral of f gives you a of k, then f of k will equal the derivative of the area function. So I need to take the derivative of k sine of k, and I've got a product rule there. K sine of k, u is equal to k, therefore u dash equals 1. V is equal to the sine of k, therefore v dash is cos of k. So f of k is going to equal k times the cos of k plus 1 times the sine of k, and f of pi on 3 will be the y value when k equals pi on 3, will be pi on 3 cos of pi on 3 plus the sine of pi on 3, and that's going to be 1/2 times the cos of pi on 3 plus root 3 on 2, which will give you pi on 6 plus root 3 on 2 as being the value of f of pi on 3. Okay, part C, consider the average value for f over the interval 0 to k. We have a rule for average value. The average value of k will equal 1 on k minus 0, integral from 0 to k of f of x dx. Now this is the area under f of x from 0 to k, which equals a of k. So it's going to be 1 on k, a of k, from 0. So it's going to be 1 on k, a of k, minus 1 on k, a of 0. So it's going to be 1 on k times k sine of k minus nothing, because the sine of 0 is 0. So it's equal to the sine of k. That's what the average value of k is, sine of k. Now the question's asking me, find the value of k that results in a maximum average value. Well, a maximum average value for the sine function will be 1, and that will happen when k equals pi on 2. So k equals pi on 2 yields the maximum average value of 1.